This is a meditation to help you draw in the romantic life you desire. Whether you're in a relationship or not, whether you have someone or you do not, this is going to help support you in bringing in all of the energy that you want to fulfill your romantic desires. So first, I want you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And another breath in and another breath out. And now picture you're pulling in energy from all around you, above you, below you. Just imagine pulling in from everywhere the most magnificent superconscious energy. And take this wonderful energy and push it all the way down into the center of the earth. And just feel how supportive this wonderful planet is, so that everything you desire can show up in your 3D reality. So now bring this energy all the way back up and just feel yourself surrounded by this energy from above you, below you, within you. However it may seem, it just should feel like a very supportive, nourishing, energetic shower. And now I want you to take within your hand and just imagine between your hands you're holding this energetic ball of light. It can be any color, but basically just imagine holding this wonderful ball of light that represents your romantic life. And first, I want you to give gratitude for yourself for doing this beautiful energy work. And then gratitude to the other person, whether they're conscious of it or unconscious, that they're also doing this energy work. And let's, regardless whether it's someone you can think of or someone in your life or you are not with someone, it doesn't matter. Just give gratitude for this other being. So first, we're going to call in the energy of what we want so that this energetic representation of your romantic life is full of everything you dream and desire. And I will give you a moment of space in the middle of this so you can also add in anything I may not have said that you are called upon that you would like to add. So let's bring in the energy of magnificence, of clarity, of authenticity, feeling authentic, of support, just feeling supported, that you can go to this other person for support, and you can also find support within yourself whenever they need support as well. Powerful intimacy, openness, supportive growth, being able to grow any way you wish, and just knowing that that person is going to support your growth. Being supportive of all your changes, because we're constantly changing every second. And as we change, sometimes we don't even know how we're going to change. And someone who's really going to be supportive will support you no matter what that change looks like, whether they are known or unknown. Someone who walks next to you. And let's bring in the energy of alignment so that you can both be fully aligned in how you want this relationship to manifest, to be, and that your goals are in support of each other. We're also going to call energy of someone who supports you when you're happy and is happy for you, and can be sad for you when you're feeling sad, so that someone helps you move through all the ups and downs of your days, of your weeks, of your months, of your years. And now I'm going to give you a moment to add in any other energy that you feel called to add. And just imagine this coming into this ball of light that represents your romantic life. And now we want to give gratitude for all of this wonderful work. And now we're going to take this energy and we're going to put it in our heart area, and then imagine sending that wonderful energy all the way to the earth, across the entire globe and everywhere else, so that it just permeates. And you'll notice that if you do this, you will start to feel differently and see various shifts in your romantic life. So the recommendation is that you try doing this once a day, every day for 10 days. And may you feel loved and supported in all that you do.